Welcome, everyone. I'm so excited you're here, because these top 5 countertop microwaves changed how I feel about cooking. Frustration turned into joy, slow meals into lightning fast magic. Stay with me. By the end, you'll confidently pick the perfect model for your kitchen. Links below if one steals your heart. At number 5 is Smad 700 watt. Could you trust a tiny 700 watt microwave to keep up with your kitchen hustle? Meet the Smad 700 watt, a humble but capable challenger in my top 5 countertop microwaves. With 10 power levels, 6 one-touch menus, wait and time defrost, LED display, child lock, and its compact 0.7 cubic feet interior, it solves the common headache of bulky, underperforming units. Users praise its brilliant value for money. I felt genuine relief using it. No more cold spots or overcooked edges. Compared to a more premium model on my top 5 list, it won't crisp or grill, but it's smarter for tight spaces. The pros are compact footprint, reliable presets, and safety features. The cons are lower power, limited capacity, lacks advanced modes. If you live light or cook basic meals, this Smad is a smart pick. For power users, aim higher in the top 5 list. At number 4 is Toshiba 1.2 cubic feet. Ever tried to reheat a full dinner plate in a budget microwave only to end up with soggy edges and a frozen center? Let me walk you through the Toshiba 1.2 cubic feet, 1000 watt model poised within our top 5 countertop contenders. Its spacious interior lets you fit dinner plates comfortably, while smart sensor tech and 10 power levels adjust cooking mid-cycle to avoid overcooks. In testing, it delivered reliably even heating, no more frantic stirring mid-minute. Against smaller units options, this one gives you breathing room in the kitchen. But compared to advanced models on our list, it lacks grill or convection modes. The pros are capacity, sensor accuracy, versatility. The cons are no crisping features, larger footprint. If you regularly cook full meals and need dependable performance, this is a very smart pick. But if you crave grilling or baking in your microwave, explore one of the higher-end top 5 units instead. On number 3 is BLACK+DECKER 0.7 cubic feet. What if I told you, this tiny 0.7 cubic feet microwave might be your secret weapon? Let's take a look at the BLACK+DECKER 0.7 cubic feet and 700 watt model, one that competes among our top 5 countertop picks. It brings 10 power levels, smart presets, a push-button door, LED display, child lock, and a 10-inch glass turntable. In real life, it gave me relief. Small enough for tight spaces, yet surprising with how well it reheats everyday meals. Compared to more ambitious units in our top 5, it won't grill or broil. According to Tech Gear Lab, it struggled with heating uniformity, though it's solid in defrosting tests. The pros are compact size, intuitive controls, and good value. The cons are uneven heating, basic abilities. If you mostly reheat leftovers or small dishes, this is a smart, safe pick. But if you demand performance or versatility, look higher in the lineup. At number 2 is Galanz 0.9 cubic feet. Think a subcompact appliance can't impress? The Galanz 0.9 cubic feet microwave surprises you with serious versatility, exactly why it earns a spot among the top 5 best countertop microwave ovens. It delivers 900 W of microwave power plus air fry and convection modes, so you can crisp, roast, reheat, and defrost, all in one unit. Its 10.5-inch glass turntable rotates 360 degrees, ensuring more even heating. The retro styling adds charm to any kitchen, and the compact footprint, approx 19 inches x 14.9 inches x 10.8 inches, means it sits nicely even in tight spaces. That said, it's not perfect. Some users note the LED display can be too bright, and microwave time increments are limited to 30 seconds. Still, for singles, couples, or small kitchens needing multifunctional performance without bulk, this model gives you smart, reliable convenience, and that makes it a worthy. Now moving to the last one is Breville Compact Wave. What if your microwave could whisper instead of roar? The Breville Compact Wave soft close feels like magic in the kitchen. At 0.9 cubic feet with 900 watt, it's compact yet generous. It features a soft close door that's 80% quieter, one-touch shortcuts for reheat, defrost, popcorn, beverage, and a food menu mode so you never second guess. In real use, I felt relief, no more startled ears when slamming doors. It handles leftovers gently, though Tech Gear Lab found some variation in heating and weak defrosting performance. Compared to other countertop picks, it's more elegant than raw power. The pros are sleek design, ultra quiet, intuitive controls, and child lock. The cons are that it doesn't always heat perfectly evenly, pricey for the performance. If you crave calm elegance and cook modest meals, this is a smart pick. But if your priority is grilling or power, one of the broader models in our top 5 lineup might serve you better. Among these 5, Breville Compact Wave is the winner. Its whisper-quiet soft close door and sensor-based controls offer a sense of calm in a noisy kitchen. It fits in tighter spaces yet delivers thoughtful, intuitive performance. While others boast raw power or capacity, this unit balances elegance and everyday usability. If you want peace of mind with classy, dependable operation, this is the one I'd pick. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best countertop microwave oven. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.